Hello and welcome to my class. Today's question is, we have to solve for a and b. We are given ab plus a is 18 and ab plus b is 20. So as you can see, our question is here. Let us proceed to solve this question, and let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So from equation 1, we can write AB plus A is equal to 18. Taking A common, we can write B plus 1 equal to 18. And now dividing both sides by B plus 1, we can further simplify it. This and this will get cancelled. A equals to 18 by B plus 1. Let us assume this as equation 3. Now plug in equation 3 into 1. So equation 3 into equation 2, we can see we have A is equal to 18 by B plus 1 times B plus B equal to 20. As you can see, we have AB plus B is 20 and A is 18 over B plus 1, which we have found in equation 3. So for A, I have plugged in this value, and after further simplifying it, we get 18 times B, 18B by B plus 1 plus B equal to 20. Now multiply both sides by B plus 1. So 18B by B plus 1 plus B, and we have to multiply both sides by B plus 1. So we get 20 and B plus 1. Now on further simplification, we get, we get here B plus 1 and B plus 1 will get cancelled, so we will get 18B plus B times B plus 1, that is B square by B, is equal to 20 times B plus 20. Hope my explanation till this step is clear to you. Now we will move to the next step. So we got B18B plus B square plus B is equal to 20B plus B in our previous step, as you can see over here. Now on further simplification, we can write here B square plus 18B plus B is 19B is equal to 20B plus 20. And now subtract 19B both sides, minus 19B minus 19B, we get B square plus, now this will get cancelled, so you are left with B square plus B plus 20. B square equals to B plus 20, which after further simplification can be written as B square minus B minus 20 equal to 0. Now as we can see, this is a quadratic equation in B, which we need to solve in order to get the value of B. So we are going to use factorization method in order to solve this for B. So we can write here, because this is negative 20 and this is minus 1. So we are getting these two numbers, which will be the number which we can use here. So b square minus 5b plus 4b minus 20 equal to 0. Minus 5b plus 4b is negative b and negative 20. So we have just divided b into two parts, negative b, and after that we can take b common from these two. So we can write here b minus 5, and from these two terms we can take common 4, and we can write b minus 5 equal to 0, and on further simplification we can write b plus 4 times b minus 5 equals to 0. I am pretty sure till this step there is no confusion, and now we will proceed further to solve. So this is our equation that we got in our previous step. Now in order that left hand side is equal to right hand side, any of these terms has to be 0. So if b plus 4 is 0, that gives us b is equal to negative 4, and if b minus 5 is 0, that gives us b equals to 5. b equals to 5. So we have got two values of b. b is equal to negative 4 and 5. Now we will plug in this value of b in any of the given equations in the question. So equation that we have been given is ab plus a equal to 18. As you can see, ab plus a is equal to 18 was the equation 1, and equation 2 was ab plus b equal to 20. So you can use any of these equations to get the value of a. So taking b as negative 4, we get negative 4a plus a is 18. That gives us negative 3a is equal to 18, which gives us finally a equal to 18 by negative 3, which is negative 6. Similarly, we can also take b equal to 5 and find the value of a. So 5 times b is 5, so 5 times a plus a is equal to 18. We will use the same equation. 6a is equal to 18, which gives us a is equal to 18 by 6, that is equal to 3. So when b is negative 4, a we got equal to negative 6, and when b was 5, a we got is 3. A value of a is 3. So these are our answers. There are two sets of answers. A is minus 6 and b minus 4, or a is 3 and b is 5. Hope my explanation was clear. And if you have any confusion, you can ask me always in the comment section. If you liked my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Here is my email ID, which you can use as we provide online classes. In order to contact us, you can use this email ID and send a class request. Thank you very much.